Guys, my car just went out on me. What the heck? Like, I was just driving, stopped to turn, and then it started blinking. And now, I don't know if I could even turn it on. You know the craziest thing about this, right? I don't even know what it was. But my intuition lately, I've been like thinking about like, I've been driving my car a lot, going to work every single day, driving my car a lot. And then like in my mind, I was thinking about, okay, what if I have to get another car? What if I have to get another car? And then this happens. Was that somebody telling me something? What the heck? It just goes out. I'm gonna have to even call AAA or my husband right now. Let me call AAA because they're gonna have to tow this mug out of here. Okay? All right. Where am I towing it though? Where am I towing it? Update, I'm still here 2 hours later. The Jeep went completely black. You know, some Samaritan tried to help me with some jumper cables, but should have known that wasn't going to work because, like I've heard a million times and a couple of other people have said now, jumper cables do not work on these new cars. You can't get a jumper cable. So it's advised that you get either like a jumper box or whatever. Hold on. Tow is calling me.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick.
Is this the Krusty Krab?
No, this is Patrick. I'm not a Krusty Krab.
Tow guy, one of the tow guys, it was assigned to somebody, and he said he couldn't pick me up because I have modified wheels and I need a flatbed, so he needs to call somebody else that got a flatbed. But let's continue. Let's continue with my story.
First, a good Samaritan tried to help me with the jumper cables. Obviously, that doesn't work. You can't use jumper cables. Then, the police came here, and he had this jumper box, whatever. That didn't work because at this point, after the Samaritan helped me with his jumper cables, the dashboard started going crazy. And then, eventually, it went black, as you can see. There's nothing here. There's nothing to jump. You cannot jump this thing, right? It's completely black now. So, the police couldn't do anything because his jumper box didn't work. And so then, I called AAA. And AAA, I told them, I said, hey, they said, what's wrong with your car? I was like, I think the battery's dead. I don't know, though. I don't know. That's what I said. They sent the guy in a car with a jumper box. I said, when the man pulled up on me, I'm like, cool. I gave him a thumbs up, like, don't worry, I'm fine. I was like, I'm fine, I'm waiting on the tow truck. He said, oh, it's me. I said, you? They sent you? Where's the freaking tow truck? I was like, yeah. He's like, well, they said, you just needed to jump. I'm like, yeah, but, like, I just said, I don't know if it needs to jump or not, but I would assume that they send a tow truck just in case you can't jump. And then the guy was like, oh, he's like, that's what they told me. I'm sorry or whatever. He tried it with his little jumper box. Obviously nothing. He's like, try to start it now. It's black. I can't start anything. Anyway, when he tried to lift my freaking hood up, he tried to throw the hood all the way back. I was like, no, don't do that. He said, I'm sorry, man. He said, I got a Jeep, so I know. I was like, I don't want you to put my hood all the way back, okay? I don't want no dents. I don't want no scratches or nothing on my paint. Like, there's a freaking leg underneath the hood already. Like, not a leg, a stand. There's a stand. If you got a Jeep, then you should have a stand under your hood. Why would you flip my hood all the way back on my window? That's stupid. Anyway, now I'm here 2 hours or so later, and I'm waiting for somebody else to get called. And mind you, the guy who he was like, I'm sorry, man, I'm sorry. He drove away. He's like, I'm going to call the tow truck for you. I'm going to call. Guess who didn't call? Him. Maybe because he died. I don't know. I was going to report him or something. I was like, I'm not even mad. Like, just don't freaking throw my hood back on my window shield. Anywho, This has never happened to me. Let me tell you, I was leaving the park preserve after skating on the trail today, and I was about to make this turn right here towards the expressway. I was going to make this turn, and then it started flashing, and then it just stopped. This never happened to me before. I want to call, like, I was thinking about calling Geico or whatever, but, I mean, I did put in the order for Geico, but Geico only covers the first 15 miles. Right now, I'm an hour away from my house. They only cover the first 15 miles. After that, it's $7 per mile. You know what that is? $300. Do you think I want to pay $300 right now? No. If I can get out of paying $300, that'd be great, because if I need an alternator or a new battery, which probably, I don't know, maybe it's an alternator. If I need a new alternator, I need that $300 for the alternator. Okay? You know? And then I gotta go to work tomorrow.
Finally. Finally. We're here. All right, update. My car got towed on Monday. Today is Wednesday, so it's 2 days later. It's still not fixed. So what happened was I sent it to this advanced auto repair shop, and they tried to put a new battery in it, but it pretty much fried the battery. So then I had to get it towed from that place to the Jeep dealership that's nearby. Okay, I didn't know if I wanted to go to the Jeep dealership or try to go to another shop, but I was like, I'm gonna just send to the dealership because, you know, they work with Jeeps, and I don't feel like going to you know, different people who may not know anything about Jeeps. So right now I'm at the dealership. I'm just about to check my car, just walk around it and stuff, make sure it's cool, because it's been in like a couple of hands, and I have, since I last seen it, I just want to make sure there's no damaged stuff, because you know how customer service is these days. Somebody put a dent in your car, and then next thing you know, they're like, I don't know what happened, maybe the tow truck did it. No, he did it. No, he did it. So I'm about to come and see, you know, check my stuff, you know. All right, so they supposedly supposed to work on it tomorrow. So yeah, let me do a little walk around and make sure that everything's cool. All right. Okay, so I never ended my video, so here I am. The last time, okay, this happened probably about a month or so ago at this point, okay? I never ended it off, but as y'all saw before, I paid $14.97 for what, you may ask? Oh, something that you thought like, oh, you know, I'm just getting a $300 battery. Let's see, what did I pay for? The guy called me and he said the cheapest thing that we could do first is replace the Z fuse case, okay? Because when he said he checked it, it was completely dead. There was no energy coming through there. So we did that first. The car started up and everything was fine. He said he didn't know whether the battery would go out eventually, like that was a possibility. So I just like, listen, just change the battery, you know, might as well change the whole thing, because it's no point of even playing with it, and I'm not trying to get stuck out there and, you know, again. So then, did you guys know that Jeeps, at least my 2020 Jeep, they have 2 batteries, right? Did you guys know that they have 2 batteries? So there's a main battery and then there's the auxiliary battery. So for the main battery, total I spent $500. So that's parts and labor. And then for the auxiliary battery, I spent a total of $522, parts and labor. Okay, so after the diagnostic, paying for the Z fuse, the inspection, I already said that. The inspection, yep. The main battery, aux battery, that ended up being, why did I pay $1,400? Why? So labor amount total is $632, parts amount $746. Miscellaneous charges, $40. They just making up stuff. $40 to go in somebody's pocket. Sales tax $78. Total $14.97. Could you imagine somebody's battery go out and you would you ever in your mind think they're gonna pay $1,500 because their battery went out? Does that make sense to you guys? No. This is ridiculous. This is not like something this is not for the weak, and this is not something that you just can like do. Oh my god. I know they say save for emergencies, but $1,500 is crazy. Anyway, this is the end of my video. Pray for your girl. I'll see you guys later. Oh, and because even though this video was filmed a long time ago, this is the first day of Vlogmas. At least I'm gonna try to do Vlogmas. I'm gonna try to do Vlogmas for 25 days. We'll see how this goes, guys. Let's try it out, okay? But see you guys later. Bye.